Well, this thing's leaking again. Had an ongoing issue with this transmission, and I don't know quite where it's leaking, but I thought I fixed the leak because the fill plug had come out a little bit. It was cocked to the side, so I put that back in. I don't know if that's popped out again, but if it has, that could mean that the pressure relief valve that's in the transmission is broken and it's not doing its job. So what I got to do is basically pull up the rear end here, just the back part of the body, pull the gas tank out, and hopefully be able to change it. I've had the back end of this machine off I don't know how many times, but at this point I just use a board and get underneath the back end with a jack, and then normally it comes up pretty easy. And with said jack and board, I lift it up just enough to get a 4x4 block under there. Then I can get the gas tank out. So I don't need to take the gas tank out all the way because the valve is right there. This cap is supposed to be on top of it, but that came off for some reason. But I think I can get a really long screwdriver in through there to get it off. We'll see. Thing doesn't want to come off. So in order to get this thing out, I just had to drill a hole in it, the really long drill bit, get a pick in there, wedged in, and then pull it out like that. I have no idea if this thing is still good or not, but it was seized in there, needed to be changed out. So let's put the new one in. So here's the new one. And it just goes in. Just like that. So hopefully that fixes the issue. The leak looks like it's coming from the shifter linkage. Definitely hard to see. You can see it all over the ground. It looks like it's coming from here somewhere. Can't really tell all that well. So now just to put it all back together.